Okay, to play the syncopation, you can play it as a duet. One person will sit on the right hand side and play the melody. And the person on the left would sit and play the bass. So we're going to learn to play both together so that you don't need a second person. So middle C is over here. What we do is we move not to the C above middle C, but the one above that. So it's 2 octaves above middle C. 1, 2. The melody is very simple. We keep our hand stretched across the notes. We play baby finger on the top C, thumb on the bottom C. We move up 1 note and play 3 notes up and 2 down. So it's 1, 2, 3 down. Move your hand up 1 note, play 3 notes up and 2 down. Move your hand up 1, play 3 notes and 2 down. 3 more notes going up, and then you're at the beginning of the song again. Very simple. You can watch that over and over until you have the hang of it. Your left hand, here's middle C. Your left hand is going to play a C chord, second inversion, but that doesn't matter. It just makes it easier to play. C would normally be played with C as the root note. I like to play it this way, because the rest of the notes are so much easier to play from there. So here's middle C, we're going to play those 3 notes together, which makes C. Then we move to an A minor, move your baby finger up 1 note. So let's play that. These 3 notes is an A minor. You keep that shape, move down 2 notes to an F, move up, keep this shape, that's a G. Keep your baby finger where it is and move these 2 notes up, back to a C. Good. Practice that. Then when you put it together, you can go A minor. Okay, right hand up 1. Good. Okay, C on the left hand. Change to A minor on the left hand. Go down 2 notes to F. Go up 1 note on the left to finish on C. Good. So let's try that again. Right hand and left hand together. Okay. The left hand is going to change. It's going to press a chord once, change to the next chord, change to the next chord, and the next one. And the names are C, A minor, F, G. So the right hand goes, I'll count. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Good. To play it even more advanced, you can jump. So when we play 1, 2, 3, 4, instead our left hand can keep the same shape of the chord and jump from down there to there. So we go 1, 2, A minor, 3, 4, F, 1, 2, G, 3, 4, C, 1, 2, A minor, 3, 4, F, 1, 2, G on the last one. 4. Good. And then you can just keep playing that. And you can do a little bit of a jump when you learn the chords. So what I'm doing there is I'm just playing whichever notes. I usually play the root of whatever the chord is that we're playing on the left hand. So you can do that. You can play the root notes in the left hand. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then over here, you can just, you press the bottom notes and then the other 2 notes to make a bit of a swing sound. So all I'm doing is I'm playing the single note on the left, and then when I put my hand down on the right hand side, I play the baby finger first and then the next 2 notes. Okay, A, next 2 notes, F, F, and then the next 2 notes, G, G and the next 2 notes. So there we go. You can try that. There we go. Sounded great already. Good job. You put them together, you play them separately, you'll get it right. Keep going.